Hey guys, so today we are up super early and we are going to head over to Boca Chica Beach to cook some breakfast. It's going to be a beautiful day. It gets so hot down here in South Padre that you almost have to do any kind of beach activities if you're here in the summer early in the day. So we plan on being there by like 8 a.m., staying until about 11, and then in the heat of the day, going and doing all of our indoor activities. So let's get on the road.
Got a little lost in the possibility. Got a little lost in the thought of you and me. If I told you I was living just a little bit in the past, just because the future scares me, and that everything should pass. Try to analyze this, yeah, try to figure out.
Well, we made it down to Boca Chica Beach for breakfast. It's already super hot out. I have to say, coming down to this part of Texas in the heat of August is not advisable, especially if you are almost 7 months pregnant like I am. But we needed a trip. I'm not going to be able to travel for very much longer, and we needed some time, with everything going on in the past year and a half. We used to travel constantly, and then we stopped. We basically were home for a year and a half. We took some little short trips that were necessary to take care of family and things like that, but we never really did a leisurely type trip. So that's what this is. Pretty excited about it. Seeing SpaceX is one of our big dreams. So that has been amazing. And we really wish we could stay here longer because they're getting ready to stack these two components of the Starship together again and to start doing some testing. Yesterday, apparently the road was closed so they could bring Starship 20 down to this launching area. It had been in the orbital bay with the booster 4, but it's now down here, as you can see, in all of its glory. And apparently the road was closed off from like 9 to 1 or something like that. And we came here in the afternoon yesterday and it was already down here. So we didn't get to see it move, but it's so cool. Like, you can drive right up to the facility and take whatever pictures you want. Not like down at Cape Canaveral where everything is, locked down and barbed wires and you can't get close to anything. This is like, you're right on top of it. Their security is really good, so there's, no security risk there. I just kind of like that it's open for anybody that's a space geek to come and take a look, because we are definitely space geeks. Anyways, we're gonna cook some breakfast on the beach, eat it, chill for a little bit longer, and then probably get out of here before it gets super hot. It's already in the mid 80s. The ocean's pretty warm, so you can go in. It's not really gonna cool you off. But if you come down to South Padre Island, you drive about 45 minutes to an hour over to Boca Chica Beach. Just put Starbase into the GPS and you just drive down Boca Chica Boulevard. You can check on Twitter. There is a Twitter handle called Boca Chica Road Closures or Boca Chica Road Closing, something like that. And you can check to see if the road will be closed for any kind of SpaceX related things. They close the road often. So make sure you check before you come down here. But once you get down here, as long as the road isn't closed, you just keep driving. Drive past Starbase and then drive past the launch facility. And then you just keep on going and it dead ends at the ocean. And you can drive right onto the beach and park and hang out. It's absolutely great. And if you are a space geek like us, you can see right over my shoulder is literally SpaceX. Starship 20 is right there. So you can look at the beach, look at the ocean, and look at the next frontier, Mars. Yeah, we're huge dorks. We really wish that we could stay down here for another couple of weeks because they're gearing up to launch pretty soon. But we have to move on. So sad. We're gonna be back down here in January, so hopefully there's gonna be some cool things to look at then. But for now, I think we've got a really good feel for South Padre Island, also for SpaceX Boca Chica, so we kind of know where the good spots are now. So when we're down here next year with the babies, the twins, our little future astronauts, we'll know where to go, and we don't have to do all of this exploring then, because it's going to be harder to do with babies, you know? All right, I think it's time to eat some eggs and bacon.
Bacon.
Oh, another thing, if you are going to be coming down to check out Starship and Starbase and SpaceX and all that jazz, get here early. We're here on a Tuesday. We got down to Starbase around 8:30. There was literally no one there. A lot of the workers weren't even there yet. So we had the whole place to ourselves, and we were able to get some really cool shots. So if you really, really want to get some cool things, get down here early. I think we actually got to the beach portion around like, I don't know, 9, and there was only one other car here. So we were able to pick our spot, and even now it's probably like 10, and there's only maybe 3 other vehicles. So this is a really nice local spot, kind of a secret, and you should definitely come check it out. Whew. All right, guys, it is getting way too hot out here. That's it for us. We finished our breakfast. We got to see SpaceX. Onward and upward. If you are not subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified anytime we release a new video. And we'll see you next time. All right, bye.